everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a karaage fried chicken. So this is my mother's recipe. She many times made it for us when I was a student. And she always made it by eyeball, but this time she measured out the seasonings for me. Thanks my mother. So I hope you also love it my family's taste. So okay, let's get started.
So, okay, these are today's ingredients, and there are a lot of ingredients used in this recipe, but it is simple and easy to prepare, so don't worry.
So okay, let's get started. So first, please cut the chicken thigh into a bit-sized pieces. Okay, I cut them all like this. So, and then next, let's add the seasonings. So I prepared a plastic bag here. So please add the chicken thigh, all of them, into a plastic bag. Okay, and next, let's add the seasonings. So, according to my mother's recipe, so first, please add the 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm so sorry guys. Before I said 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, but correct number was 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. So I already add the 3 tablespoons of soy sauce here. So I will add the 3 tablespoons more. And then 3 tablespoons of brown sugar or white sugar, whatever you have. So, and then next, please add the 2 tablespoons of cooking sake. And then please add the 2 tablespoons of mirin. So next, please add the garlic. In Japan, we can get the tube type of the garlic. If you have it, please add the 2 or 3 centimeters of garlic. And if you don't have it, please add the 3 to 5 grams of the garlic. And then next, please add the ginger as well. If you have a tube ginger, please add the 2 or 3 centimeters. And if you don't have it, please add the 3 to 5 grams of the ginger. I put all seasonings in a plastic bag. So close the plastic bag. Already good smell of ginger and garlic. ニンニクと生姜のいい香りがする。はい、okay, it's done. So please place in the fridge for at least 2 hours to overnight. So this time I will keep it in a fridge for overnight. So tomorrow I will make a karaage again. So today is finish. So see you tomorrow guys. Ta-da! I soaked it overnight. 唐揚げ一晩寝かせました。So today I will deep fry it. So, but before deep frying, coat them with the potato starch. こちら、potato starch. And then
So please put the oil about 2 or 3 centimeter high in a fry pan. The temperature of the oil should be about 160 degrees. This is because I used sugar as a seasoning, and if you deep fry the karaage in high temperature oil, it will burn before it is cooked slow.
Okay, so let's deep fry the karaage.
A good indication of the temperature at 160 degrees is when you put your wooden chopsticks in the oil and gently fine bubbles appear. So this is a sign that it's ready. So okay, the first fried chicken, karaage is ready.
So it's a golden brown, so beautiful. Mm-hmm. 짠, 焼けました。の I deep fried 唐揚げ。Too hot. I wanna try the taste. ちょっと食べたい。味見しよう。いただきます。おいしい。It's really soft well. 味しみしみ。I can't stop eating. So, okay, my friend Yak-chan will try it today. I hope she also loves it. じゃあ今日は唐揚げ作りました。で、今日はやっとやっちゃんが来てくれました。今日唐揚げを食べてもらいに来たよ。
はい、唐揚げ食べます。
そう、ちょっとね、これをね、全部とは言わんけどいいよ、食べてやっちゃう。
いい？
うん、食べてみて。
いただきまーす。
はーい、どうぞ。
お、
あ、カリって言った。待って、硬いんじゃない？どう？味染みてる？
全然美味しい。
本当？美味しい？やったー、よかった。
美味しい。
一晩つかせたの。なんかね、なんだっけ、ジンジャーと、なんだっけ、生姜とニンニクをね入れたんだけど、ちょっと雰囲気出てる？
全然。めっちゃ美味しい。
あ、美味しい？もういくらでも食べれる。そこ出すか出さないかは別にここにナオコとキースもいてくれます。そう、ありがとうやっちゃん。ちょっともう一個ぐらい食べていいよ。
食べていい？
いいよ、いっぱい食べていいよ。
なくなるよ。マジで？
うん、いいよ。もうなんかすごい食べさせてるけど、ちょっとごめんね。いいよ。ゆっくりで。なんだっけ、唐揚げは、今コーラを飲んでくれてるけど、コーラに合う？
抜群。
抜群。
一番合う。
バッチリバッチリ。もう
聞いてる？このサクサク。
聞こえた。聞こえてる？完璧。本当、もういっぱい食べてこうやってね。よし、完璧。じゃあ、ありがとう。Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.